Hello everyone, my name's Michael Shacklock. I'm a physical therapist. I graduated in New Zealand and moved to Australia to do postgraduate education in manual medicine, manual therapy, musculoskeletal and neurodynamics and pain science. And now my interest at the moment is of course neurodynamics, and it's my great pleasure to invite you to come to a fantastic conference called The Pillars of Manual Medicine, hosted by Bob Newhafen, Doctor of Chiropractic. This is a great conference. We have many different people coming. Particularly, we're going to be solving problems from different directions. You have Dr. Warren Hammer, that will give you the fascial approach. You have Professor Shirley Sarman. You have myself, and you have the great Chris Showalter, who's a Maitland-trained manual therapist and physical therapist. Now, if you're interested in neurodynamics, you probably would have seen patients who have radiating pain and pins and needles. Now, if those things occur, then that patient might need a neurodynamics approach. Now, in neurodynamics, it's much more than neural mobilization. There's diagnostic categories, functional disturbances, physical tests for the different categories of problem. We have progressions, and we have inclusion-exclusion criteria with manual techniques. And of course, we bring those into home exercises and self-rehabilitation. So do come along, come and see my presentations and the presentations of the other speakers. It's going to be a great event. So come to Chicago to the conference on the Pillars of Manual Medicine.